Hey, I'm AD Dolphin, the CEO of Dherbs.com. You guys already know I get a lot of emails, but this week, people have been talking about hygiene. The internet is a crazy place and the misinformation that's there is bananas. So this week, we're gonna talk about what's fact and what's fiction about hygiene. Yo, AD, this is gonna sound like a crazy question, but it's always been on my mind. My dog has bad breath, but he licks my face. I love his kisses, and my friends say a dog's mouth is cleaner than a human's mouth. I have to know, is it fact or is it fiction? Jerome, this is fiction. Dogs lick their butt, and then you let him lick your face? I don't know what we're doing. Both humans and dogs have bacteria in their mouths, but dogs tend to have the worst of it. Dogs have a different environment than we do, and they tend to eat and lick things that we don't. Look, Jerome, what it barrels down to is you shouldn't let your dog lick your face. And if you do, please take the time to wash it. Next question. Hey AD, is it a real thing that you're supposed to close the lid before you flush the toilet? I read this one fact about bacteria spraying into the air during the flush. I just want to make sure that I'm very sanitary and safe during these times. A fact, when you flush your business down the toilet, there is a toilet plume that is released into the air. Believe it or not, this plume contains bacteria that gets into the air. It gets all over your bathroom. It's on your towels, in your sink. It's everywhere. The easiest way to protect you from that bacterial spray is to close the lid of the toilet prior to flushing. There's billions and billions of bacteria that exist within human feces, so you definitely want to close the lid. Next question. Dear AD, I can't believe I'm telling you this because I know it's a bad habit, but regularly I touch my face. Is this harmful to my skin? Am I increasing the risk of bacterial transmission? Any and all advice is appreciated. Yikes! Touching your face? Jasmine, this is absolutely a fact. Everything that you touch has germs and bacteria on it, and it gets on your fingertips. If you touch your eyes, your mouth, your nose, germs can get on them, and it can transfer to your body, which can make you sick. Also, if you scratch or rub your face, you can increase the risk of acne or dermatitis. Jasmine, prior to touching your face, wash your hands. I hope that helps. And also, thanks for watching Fact or Fiction. And hit that goddamn subscribe button. I need more followers. And lastly, if you have any more questions, don't forget to leave a comment or email us at factorfiction@dherbs.com. See you next week.